Hello friends, welcome back to do Padhai with AI. And as you know, we are continuing with the series wherein we are exploring artificial intelligence tools that might be useful in the UPSC preparation. Firstly, something about me. I am Rupal Jain. I've been in the UPSC journey in and out. Currently, I'm working in Niti Aayog in the Frontier Technologies vertical. This is my LinkedIn profile. My approach is to identify real life problems faced by UPSC aspirants, find some solutions to them using artificial intelligence emerging tools which are available online free of cost or in a freemium manner. I will show you practical utility of these tools and also request you to use them in your daily life and also provide feedback. So recently I received a request to research and share a hack to summarize PDFs using an artificial intelligence tool. So I researched on many tools over the week and I've come back as promised with the solution. The name of the solution is PopAI.pro. I repeat, it is PopAI.pro. So guys, this is a tool which can be used to summarize PDFs. It has many functionalities, but I think summarizing PDF is its best strength. We click on the left hand side menu, we click on chat with document, and what it will do is if we upload a PDF file over here, it will provide a summary. So for example, I want to look at a Niti Aayog report. Maybe we can see a Niti Aayog report on artificial intelligence, facial recognition technology. Okay, so this is a report which is responsible AI for all, adopting the framework, a use case approach on facial recognition technology. So this is a long report, and for UPSC we do not need to go in depth. So we just want surface level 4, 5 or 10, maximum 10 points from our report that we can write in our mains answer, quote in our interview, that will also be useful for prelims. We can see that in this report they have started with FRT as a concept. FRT, I repeat, stands for facial recognition technology. They have explored responsible AI. They have given examples of FRT. They have written the regulatory aspects of FRT, and they have used DigiYatra. अगर आप लोग एयरपोर्ट पे ट्रैवल करते होगे तो आपने देखा होगा एक कियोस्क होता है DigiYatra का, wherein it recognizes your face and gives you quick entry without the human intervention of a security personnel checking your ID proof and your boarding pass. So DigiYatra पे case study है इसमें. So this is the report. We want to create a summary of this report using AI. So let me download this. So what I did was I just downloaded this report. Now I go back to PopAI. I logged in, I signed in using Google, and I will upload file. So there is also a limitation of this tool, and I will tell you in just a minute what is that limitation. So it has uploaded, but the limitation of this platform is it takes PDFs up to only 50 pages if you are using the free version. So for this also we have a way around. We can go to ilovepdf.com. ilovepdf पे जाके you can go to split PDF. I repeat, ilovepdf.com पे जाके you can go to split PDF. You can select this PDF file, open, and using extract pages function you can extract the most relevant pages जिसका आपको summary चाहिए है. तो जो भी extra pages हैं that you can skip. Here I am skipping the executive summary, table of contents, introduction, to reduce the number of pages, because we wanted to bring it down to 50 pages. So if there is a big report, suppose it's economic survey, so you can select each chapter separately using this split PDF functionality, and then you can get a summary of each chapter separately, right? I will remove all the annexures that are there. I again repeat, do not make the rookie mistake. Do not make the rookie mistake of going in depth in any topic. In optional, going in depth makes sense. However, for your mains and all, these reports, if you can pick up maximum 10 points and you can revise it again and again, then the degree of reproduction in the exam will be greater. So here I have extracted around 40 pages. What I'll do is I'll select on merge extracted pages into one PDF file, and I'll do split PDF. I'll download the split PDF. You can see the split PDF of around 40 pages is downloaded. I'll go back to PopAI. I repeat the website name, it is PopAI.pro, and then on the left hand side we have to go on chat with document. Let us refresh this. Okay, so we went on chat with document, and now we'll upload the PDF. See, this PDF is opened, and what PopAI.pro tool will do is it will parse your PDF, give it a few seconds, and it will produce a summary. Not only producing a summary, it will allow you to chat with the document. Means if you are not satisfied with the summary, you can ask further questions. It will also give you suggestive questions from the document. If you are able to answer these questions, that means you have scanned the document well. However, friends, I would again like to repeat that AI is not a replacement for our natural intelligence. So you can use it to ease your work, but not replace your work in entirety. So what I suggest is you use AI to produce a summary, then you read that summary, then you quickly scan through the documents, at least see the headings, so that the recall value is better and you ensure that you are not missing out on any important information. So as you can see, it has taken a few seconds and now it has started producing the summary of this document. So it is showing what the document is emphasizing on. It has given some important points. It is telling the DigiYatra program का जो case study है that has been used, right? And then it is also giving the summary that it is emphasizing the importance of responsible AI and ethical considerations in the use of FRT, especially in the context of DigiYatra program. Next, it is giving some questions that you may ask, like what are the potential benefits of DigiYatra ecosystem, what are the right-based challenges to the use of FRT systems. You can further ask this, like tell me more points from the DigiYatra case study. So it will again take a few seconds and it will tell you more points on that. Now, isn't it amazing? It is, I know. Even I am very happy with the progress. I will ask what are the principles of responsible AI as per this report. So let's wait for a few seconds and it will extract from the report the principles that it gets and it will give the answer. Right, so these are the principles, that is telling transparency and accountability, positive human values, customization for Indian use cases. You can also enumerate the principles. If you are not satisfied with the answer, you can say enumerate the principles. Right, so isn't this amazing? Yes, I know, even I am surprised with the potential that this technology holds, and we have to use it for our benefit as much as possible. However, in this PopAI.pro, this is not all. It gives you an option of extracting the images in the document. So what it does is, once you have uploaded these 40 pages, it has extracted on all the images. You can see it on the left hand side. So this is the image of DigiYatra complete process flow, and it is giving you the option of image chat. So we stop generating this and we start with the image chat. In the various reports, many a times you have images, but if in order to add the content in your notes, you have to write it down manually, and also you do not know how to extract the most relevant points. So suppose we have this image in this report of DigiYatra complete process flow. I'll go on. You can either download the image separately, or you can write image chat, and you can ask PopAI.pro lift down the steps in DigiYatra, lift down the steps in this image. You just give it that kind of a prompt and it will start working on it. See, so nicely it has started working on it. That first step is booking, registration kiosk, entry gate, then PECS entry. You can also further chat with this. You can write what is PESC if you're not understanding something, and it will tell you. So PESC stands for Passenger Economy System Check. Isn't this the best possible use of your time as well as the internet? Let's summarize with this PopAI.pro. Firstly, you can summarize your PDFs. Secondly, you can chat with the document. You can ask counter questions to be extracted from that PDF. Then, as a bonus, you can also chat with the images in the document. I think this is going to be super useful, and I hope I addressed the query that was asked in my previous session. Now let us come to the limitations of this tool. As you can see on the left hand side bottom, upgrade to Pro. So the free version has some limitations. So let's see what are these. The limitations are, in the free version you can summarize up to 2 PDFs per day. Then you can ask up to 10 queries per day. So we are generally using ChatGPT 3.5, and I think 10 queries from one PDF and 2 PDFs per day is more than enough. Rest, it supports other languages also. It is showing option for translate. So you can go to translate and also translate into various languages. However, Hindi is also available. You see, if you translate into Hindi, it gives you the answer in Hindi also. I think this is revolutionary. This is an example of truly inclusive kind of a education, where language is not a barrier to education, right? Lastly, let's come to the most important segment of our video, which is where not to use this AI tool. As I said, that AI should be used to help our education, but not to replace it. First is that you should not use it in UPSC current affairs preparation, because it gives only a very bird's eye view kind of a summary, and maybe some points are missed when you come to summarizing the current affairs. Secondly, it should not be used to summarize your textbooks, because like Lakshmikant, wherein each and every line is important, right? Where we can use it is, these reports released by Niti Aayog, released by other government departments, in which you just need to have a summary, you need to have a bird's eye view. So I hope that diff tool will be very useful for you in your preparation, and I request you to keep sending feedback using diff tool as well, and also keep sending your requirements, because your requirements and your ideas serve as a benchmark for me for researching on more and more tools. So I hope you enjoy it, and thank you. See you in the next video.